So if I pull up the monthly chart and tick off the name to the upper left, this chart resembles a chart of Tesla. However, it's not. It's Mastercard, and they just reported their quarterly earnings. And had you been following my videos from quite some time, you would have seen that price pulled back to a great daily buyer level within and nested within a monthly buyer level, which was below $500 before prices resumed in the trend direction all the way back from September of 2022. Now, before we go through the rest of the technicals, because there is another level that I'm going to give you that should pay off if we get another pullback, let's get into this article. So Mastercard shot up roughly 2% at $560 before the opening bell this morning on better than expected quarterly profits as robust consumer spending helped drive higher transaction volumes. The company posted fourth-quarter earnings per share of $3.82, beating estimates of $3.70. Revenue came in at $7.5 billion, slightly above the consensus estimate of $7.4 billion. Here's what the CEO had to say on the quarter. We delivered strong results this quarter with net revenue growth of 14% year over year, or 16% on a currency-neutral basis. He goes on to say, our diverse capabilities in payments and services and solutions, including the acquisition of Recorded Future this quarter, position us well for long-term growth. And I do have to agree with his analysis. Now, going to the weekly chart, although this candle that's nested within this longer body candle and then this longer body candle is actually a level of interest at that $530 level, and it's clearer if you go down to the daily chart, which we're about to go to, so just stay tuned. I do want to show you, however, that bottom wick that we saw in the monthly chart, that was a collapse in price. Again, buyers were waiting, licking their chops to fill their unfilled buy orders, and as you can see, price shot up the following week. Now, again, we're going to use this as a basing candle. So this is a rally, base, and then rally. And let's see if that is the same level that I saw on the weekly chart. Not quite. However, I do like this because, as you can see, price took out what was all-time highs to the left once upon a time before breaking out, closing above, and then pushing higher. So this was the level that I wanted to share with you. It is a rally, two basing candles, and then that gap higher is the equivalent of an extended range green candle. So we're going to make that a daily buy level at, we'll say, $546. So if you get a pullback, the charts are suggesting they go long. This is the aggressive entry. I love even more a pullback to what was all-time highs, to what we saw on their weekly chart. That would be the better conservative level to get long. However, you can't get wrong with either setup. Let me know what you think about the levels. Let me know what you think. Which level would you take? Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.